Well, I am feeling much better today. I'm actually feeling great. I'm feeling great today. I tried to make homemade ramen, and it wasn't so great. It actually was not very good because I used way too many noodles, and then the pot of like beautiful soup mixture turned into a puff pot of noodles with no juice. Suddenly, it's so weird how noodles, it doesn't look like there's a lot of noodles, and then all of a sudden there's a lot of noodles. So I wasn't very good at measuring that, nor did I really read the instructions. But so that's probably something to do with it, but whatever, you know, whatever. I tried to do something on my own without taking guidance, and yes, it did explode in my face. Not the good kind of explosion either. So I'm about to just take a shower. I'm not going to smile at you because I probably have food in my teeth like bok choy. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to actually get really hot today. And I'm going to do something. I'm going to fucking do something. Just you wait. I'm about to do it.